homemade strawberry honey vinegar. Drink it will blow away your fatigue and make you feel energized. Recipe: honey about 50 to 100 gram, vinegar about 250 to 300 gram, strawberries 1 pack, wine mouth jar, sterilized by boiling, baking soda to remove pesticides 1 teaspoon. Pour water into a bowl. Strawberry use a lot of pesticides, so the first thing to do is remove them. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or pesticide remover. Stir well. Leave it for 10 minutes. The longer you soak it, the more pesticide will come off. 10 minutes later. I'll list the pesticide remover I often use in the description. Natural ingredient make it safe. Easily removes pesticides from vegetable and fruit. Discard the water and wash the strawberries thoroughly. Wipe off the water droplets from the strawberries with kitchen paper. Cut the strawberries in half. Place the strawberries in a jar that has been boiled and sterilized. Boiling sterilization. Pour boiling water into the jar. Discard the water and wipe the inside with kitchen paper. Add 50 to 100 gram of honey to the jar. Add 250 to 300 gram of vinegar to the jar. The best amount is enough to completely cover the strawberries. Close the lid of the bottle. Shake or stir the bottle well. the refrigerator 1 day to 1 week, even after 1 day. 1 week later. Finished! Remove the jar from the fridge and shake to mix the settled honey with vinegar on top. Rotate the jar slowly, mix the strawberries with honey vinegar. Open the bottle and pour the syrup into a glass. Put strawberries into a glass with tongs. Add mineral water to the glass. Enjoy! It tastes amazing and it's so delicious that you will drink it all in no time. If you drink it when you're tired, your tiredness will disappear and you feel better right away. Try it!